today to open up the day 17 of the Simply Stated Advent Calendar. Let's check it out. Okay, 17, here we come. Oh, cool. Oh, we got some fencing to put around houses. Let me zoom you in here. So we got some fencing, which is awesome. A couple of street lamps. Those are very cool. And a plethora of houses in different sizes. Oh, I just shot them everywhere. Okay, we're not seeing them in the beautiful order that they were in. I love that 2-story house. Gorgeous, and I even lost a couple on the floor. I'd like to live in some of these houses. They're gorgeous. All right, everybody, so that is the day 17 of the 2024 Advent Calendar. That was an awesome day. Thanks for joining me for day 17, and I will see you for day 18 next. La 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 la.